How do you think Hiccup lost his leg? If I asked you that, most of you would probably say it was burned in the fire, right? But that's not actually the case, because Toothless ripped off Hiccup's leg. Let me explain. As you know, the last scene we see Hiccup before he loses his leg is the explosion scene, and he falls head first. This means his upper body wasn't exposed to the flames, so his legs couldn't have burned. The biggest piece of evidence supporting this theory is what Hiccup says in the second movie.
I'm actually the one who shot him down. You got me back, right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg.
Of course, we could call it divine justice for someone who injured Toothless's tail. After all, you do the crime, you do the time.